Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love.
What's up, fancy beauties and bows? So I just came in from work and I'm a little sad because my little guy is getting ready to start school. My grandson, y'all know AJ, he's 4. He getting ready to start pre-K and he starts tomorrow. He gonna be riding the bus and making new friends and everything like that. And I don't know. I cried earlier and I don't even know what I cried for. I don't know. But that's what I'm doing. I'm getting his little clothes ready for school. And he's gonna wear his little jean shorts. And got him some cute little plaid shoes. So it's gonna be super early in the morning. I may get on camera, you know, while I'm getting them on the bus or whatever like that, or you know, just to show y'all what his swag look like on his first day of school. But I just wanted to jump on camera and I don't know, just kind of share that with you guys. I know my kids, when they see this, they gonna call me a big baby because I'm so emotional and I'm so sensitive and I cry easily. I do. I cry easily. When I'm passionate about something, if somebody hurt my feelings, love stories, I mean, if I'm super mad, I'll cry if I'm mad. But this is one of those moments where it's just like, I don't know, my little man, he about to grow up on me. But I'll see you guys in the morning. I ain't gonna hold you too much because I got paperwork that I need to finish filling out and send with him in the morning. And I gotta finish getting his clothes together and my clothes together because I gotta work tomorrow. I mean, I've like tried to prepare him as much as I could, letting him know, you know, you're gonna be doing this, you know, after school you're gonna go to Grammy's house, which is the sitters, and then from there I'm gonna come pick you up when I get off from work, and then when we come home we'll get, you know, ready for bed. And Wednesday he doesn't have to go because the teacher is doing it in parts, so she's taking some kids separate days. So some kids went today, so AJ's turn is tomorrow, along with some I think like maybe 2 or 3 more students, and then she'll do the same thing on Wednesday. And then Thursday they're going to all come together and then do the same thing for Friday, and then that way they can kind of get into a routine, so when the next week comes, the second week of school comes, everyone will come all together again, and then it'll be that way until the end of school. So I thought I was done with rearing kids, you know, because his mom is 25, and so I figured that was the last of the Mohicans that I had to deal with this, but here we go again, and I don't mind at all. I know when we went to the open house on Thursday, the teacher gave me the planner for him. And she's like, just bring this with him every day, have him to bring this and put stuff in there. And I'm just like, okay, wait. It's been 25 years since I did this, so I'm gonna need some help. And all the other parents that were in there, they were laughing. And I just felt overwhelmed, and I was just like, okay, wait a minute, because my kids didn't have no planner. I think maybe his mom did. I think she had a planner, if I'm not mistaken. But that was something she kept up with. I didn't do it. So for me to have to do it with the baby, you know, it's just like, okay, wow. It's a whole new world, right? But I can do it. I can do it. With the Lord's help, we're going to get through this, and he's going to be fine. I'm going to be fine. And, yeah, I will see you guys in the morning, because his bus comes pretty early. So, got to get him up and ready and on the bus. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
He wanted to tell you guys good night before he went to sleep. Where you going in the morning? To school? You excited? Yeah? Good. All right. We'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
8 hours later.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Well, first day of school time, and that's what he's wearing. He's gone over there to sit down, and we got a few minutes before we have to get down to the bus station, or to the bus stop, I mean. But yeah, he's excited, ready to go. And he looks so handsome. All right, guys, I'll see you guys down at the bus stop. Say see you later.
See you later.
He's ready to go. All right, guys, I just got back in the house, and yeah, I'm crying. I don't even know why. But he did good. He got right on the bus. He was like, yay, my school bus. And he got right on and went and sat down. So hopefully he's going to be okay. Because I know, you know, like I said before, when he realized I didn't go with him, with my daughter, he started crying. So I'm going to call the school later and make sure he's okay. And, yeah, told you I'm a big baby. But just wanted to share this moment with you guys and just kind of keep videos of things, you know, so when he gets older, he'll have it to look back on. So yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself in the mornings now that they're free. It's like almost 7 in the morning, and you know, I have to be to work until later, but I guess this will give me some time to get on the schedule for YouTube and be able to get videos up for you guys on a regular basis now, huh? But yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'll come back and maybe he'll want to talk about how his first date was and things like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.